Hi, in this video, I will show you how to check a WhatsApp last seen. If you want to check any last seen on your WhatsApp, so click on the Play Store option or your Apple Store. So here you can search application which is WhatsApp last seen tracker, and you will get application WSP seen. So by using this application, you can check a desired last seen. So I just installed this application, and here is the interface of application. So I'm just going to open this application again. So you can simply create your account over here. So I just created my account, and now you can see I just enter a phone number and it will show me a status of active. So in this way you can using a third party app, using this application, you can easily check active status. Although this application is paid, but you can use its free versions. If you want to get a plan, you can just click on the subscribe and select your desired plan. To get a paid version of this application, you can enter your bill payment using your bill which you have subscribed. So I will show you different options here. It will show me a online option. So this is a very helpful if you're going to use its free version. So it's really helpful for you. So this application is working fine. You can scroll down and check other options. You can just enter your email and it will verify your email and just give you free credits for few weeks, so you can utilize those credits and check out about your last sins. So you can enter your contact details over here, and if you want to export, you can easily export data of your last sins. So you can just enter your feedbacks, and in this way you can check a last sin. I hope so you enjoy this video. Make sure to subscribe, likes, comments, and